Hey everyone, it's Thursday, June 13th. Yep, June 13th, 2013. I made a video, I think it was 2 days ago, for an update, and everything's the same. I did my weigh-in today. I was 160 pounds. I went to tell my mom my weight this morning, and I was like, yeah, I weigh 260 pounds, and I'm like, oh, wait a second, no I don't. I'm still not used to saying that I'm in like the 100s, so it's different. I mean, not different, but like weird, I guess, because I never ever thought I would be back in like the 100s, because I think the last time I was like in the 100s, I was like in grade 8, I think. So that was a long time ago, and I was 13 then. Yeah, 13, and I'm turning 22, so that was a long time ago. But yeah, so what's new? Nothing, just getting my water in. I really have to work on that. I went to the dentist yesterday, and I got my teeth cleaned, and anxiety's crazy when I went to the dentist. And my hair, like, I got all these, like, little, I mean, it's so humid outside. I just brought Lexi out. She's not, I would show you her today, but she's not feeling well, so she's, like, curled up in my bed. She was eating grass yesterday, and then she got sick today, so, for those who just want the numbers, my starting weight was 280/285, current weight is 160 pounds. I'm 7 months post-op, gastric bypass RNY, and, my surgery was on November the 8th, 2012, so those are the numbers. That's really the only things that people care about, so, yeah, I just do these video logs for myself. I actually wanted to talk about, like, friends after gastric bypass. It's crazy, because people who, I mean, when I was in high school, I was overweight, and I wasn't at my highest weight, in grade 11 and 12. I was at my highest weight, like, kind of, like, just leaving, so, like, I still seen my high school friends, but I put on the majority of the weight when I mean, yeah, you know what, I was probably at my highest weight in high school, and then I maybe packed on, like, 20 extra pounds when I went off to college. So, friends after gastric bypass, my friends that I had before my surgery, some of them I'm still really good friends with. I obviously don't really see them often because of my anxiety. I don't like to really do much outside of the house. I mean, sometimes I do, I don't know. But, sorry, I just got like a chunk of ice in my mouth. Okay, so people in high school that would never give me the time of day before, like, all of a sudden they see me on Instagram and see me on Facebook, and they're like, oh my god, what happened to you? You look amazing. I'm like, well, thanks. I thought I looked nice before too, but I mean, I was a little chubby. No, but I was like, oh, thanks. And they're like, yeah, we should totally hang out. I'm like, then I'm thinking in the back of my head, like, you would have never asked me to hang out before, like, when I was, like, completely overweight. Like, why are you asking now? Like, I don't know. Oh, shit, I just broke my earring, my favorite earring. Crap. Anyways, yeah, shit, that just broke off. Yeah, no, like, they would have never, ever asked to hang out with me, or, like, even talk to me or look at me, and if they did look at me, they were making fun of me, because I know these people, and I've had experience with them making fun of me from a very young age, so, because of my weight and because of other stuff. So, now it's just like, why the hell are you talking to me? Like, I don't want to talk to you. Like, just because I lost a lot of weight, I'm still the same person inside, I just look differently, and it's crazy, and people often mistake me for my twin sister. My twin sister lives in Alberta, so I guess people that forgot that she's moved I can't tell you how many people have come up to me like, oh, hey, Sam, or like, hey, or like, how's Sarah? And I'm like, I am Sarah. Like, so many people. And like, I'm not gonna like say any names, but like, it's just crazy. Like, I'm gay, and I get guys that used to, like, hit on my sister 24/7, be like, oh my god, like, I mean, I'm not trying to put myself up on a, like, pedestal, or, like, I'm not trying to, like, talk myself up or be, like, cocky, but I can't even, like, tell you how many messages I get from people that have, I'm gonna say, been a past interest of my sister, and they're all like, oh my god, you look amazing, and you look identical now, like, you look just like her, and stuff. I don't know, it's weird. And it's really weird when I'm in public, like, with my mom or something, or if I'm, like, at Shoppers Drug Mart getting my prescriptions, or, I don't know, like, out and about. Like, I went to, I was at Shoppers Drug Mart, and my friend that I was, like, this girl, Nancy, I was really good friends with in high school, came up to me, and from behind, and I turned around, she's like, hey, Sam. I'm like, hi, Nancy. I haven't seen her since before my surgery, so, I mean, it was a really big shock to her, and, I mean, I get called my sister's name all the time, so it's weird. I mean, growing up, people would, like, get our names mixed up, but, like, I mean, it's weird now that they think I'm her because I lost all this weight and I think I look like her, or she looks like me, or whatever. But yeah, so, people definitely treat me differently now. People that I usually wouldn't go out of my way to talk to, or they usually would never go out of their way to talk to me, always ask me, let's go to Beta, or let's go to Revolution, or you should come out with us, you know, we were all looking at your pictures on Instagram, and you look great, and all this stuff, and I'm just like, you know what, screw you guys, because I was the same person I was, like, I'm the same person I was before, although I wasn't out back then, I'm out now, like, out of the closet, but I'm still the same person, like, deep down, and, you know, I'm not gonna forget all those, like, mean and hurtful things that you've said, or you've, like, done to make my high school torture. But it's just really weird. And, I have a lot more gay friends now, and, I kind of like them better. No, I don't. I love my straight friends, and I love my gay friends, but my gay friends are kind of more, like, understanding, I guess, because we're gay. And, my straight friends are also understanding, well, some of them. I actually lost a bunch of friends when I came out, and, I lost a lot of friends, and then my one friend, that I worked with introduced me to a bunch of people, and then, I don't know, became friends, and we still talk all the time. I talked to them when I was bigger, and then I talk to them now when I'm small, like 125 pounds smaller, and they're still, like, so accepting. And I'm not saying that gay friends are better than straight friends. I love my straight friends, and I love my gay friends. I just kind of like my gay friends better right now. And I have nothing against straight people. Crap. I just scratched my dresser, like, uh-oh. Okay, no, I didn't. It's just a mark. Anyways, yeah. So I get messages from you guys still asking, what have you been doing to lose 100 pounds within, 125 within such a short period of time? And I asked my surgeon that the other day when I was at Guelph Hospital, because I get so many messages from you guys asking me, like, how did you lose it all really, really fast? And I still can't eat a lot. Like, my stomach hasn't, like, stretched or anything. So, I'm eating, like, what I'm supposed to be doing. Like, I'm eating normal, like, well, for a bariatric point of view. And getting most of my water, and I try to anyways. I take my vitamins every day. I don't know, the surgeon said it's probably because I'm a lot younger than a lot of the patients / people on YouTube that follow me, I think. And I'm not saying you're old. I'm not saying you're old at all. I'm just saying that I'm younger. And my surgeon said, like, you know, you have the youth on your side. So a lot of people, like, at Guelph that go for this surgery, or Toronto or Windsor or wherever you're from, are the majority of them are in their 30s, 40s, and sometimes 50s, and possibly 60s. But I mean, I was 20 when I had gastric bypass, and I know Mandy. She's around my age. I think she may be like 1 or 2 years older than me. I'll be 22 this year. I think she's maybe the same age. I don't know, but she had the surgery done too, and like, she's the only other person that, and my friend Tiffany's like 26 though, but still, we're all in our 20s, and I mean, we've all had really good success with our weight loss, really, really fast. I think, like, my friend Tiffany looks amazing, and she's lost so much weight so fast, but she's had like the worst with complications. Like, she had the blood clots twice. She almost died, and it was really scary. But I'm glad she's getting better, because she's a good person, and she's doing extremely well. Same with Mandy, you know who you are, the one who goes to Disney all the time, and I'm so jealous, because you can go to Disney and I can't, because I don't live near there. Yeah, she's done really well. I watch her videos all the time. So, and there's a couple others I watch. I forget the names. I don't know. Losing Pounds 89. I follow her all the time. She's currently going through, I think she's the same weight as me. I'm not sure, but she's trying to get, I think she's doing like the 360 body lifts, like raising money for that right now or something. I don't know, something. But yeah, so, friends after gastric bypass, totally, my good friends that I've had before my surgery treat me the same. People that I knew before, not necessarily liked, treat me completely different. They really want to hang out with me and all this stuff, and it's like, no, like, screw you guys, like, go away. I do find that I have more friends now than I did before. Like, more close friends. Yeah. Maybe, like, a smaller group, but, like, really, like, close friends, like, good buddies. But yeah, so that's my little rant today. And okay, so I don't know if any of you tried CLA with green tea extract, and when I was on Herbal Magic, I did find these worked, and I did talk to my surgeon, and she said it's fine if I want to take them. I mean, they don't have anything in the bariatric program with proven results with this, because I mean, I have had such a crazy surgery that that surgery alone is gonna, like, really help me lose weight. And it's a tool. It's not like a magic thing overnight. You know, you still have to work hard, and you still have to do everything you can do to lose the weight, and it's just a tool. It's not like, you know, I'm gonna have gastric bypass and wake up in like 5 minutes and like 125 pounds less. Like, no, you still have to work at it. You still have to work out. You have to eat well. You can't eat shit. Like, you can't eat cookies. I mean, you could, but you can make yourself sick. People don't understand that. They just think, oh, it's just a lazy way out, and really it's not. And it really bugs me when people are like, oh, so you just had gastric bypass, that's just how you lost the weight. No, I lost the weight from working out, from eating better, from changing my lifestyle around, and for just putting 150% into what I'm doing. And people are like, oh, okay, I just thought it was a surgery that made you lose all the weight. Well, it's a tool. It's not just something that's just going to make you, like, go from this to that overnight. It's not going to happen. But yeah, I don't know. I've seen reviews of CLA on Dr. Oz, and the other day it was like a week ago, I was 164, and then I re-weighed myself, like, 3 days after, and I was 160. So I don't know, like, I just take one of these a day. And, like, there's, like, green tea stuff in it, so it's really good for you. And it says supports weight management, and I'm like trying to like maintain my weight / lose a couple 10 pounds to my goal weight. So yeah, I don't know. I took it before and I found it worked. There is caffeine in it though. 180 milligrams of green tea extract, but there's 18 milligrams of caffeine, and then 567 milligrams of conjugated linoleic acid, CLA is what I'm reading. You guys can look it up if you want. It was supposed to be $30 for this bottle of 90 capsules at Shoppers Drug Mart, but it was on clearance. Like, a bunch of their health supplements were on clearance, so I got it for $9, which was really good. So, I don't know if I'm going to continue taking it or not. I don't know. I might take it for a couple more days and then see how it goes, but I'm running out of time, and I don't know how much time I have to upload anything to YouTube, because this is going on 17 minutes. I'm going to leave it at that, and have a good week, guys, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye-bye.